Do you know where you rank on the most followed Pinterest profiles list? You can check it out on a site called Trackalytics. A link to that site and everything else I talk about in this video, including my own Pinterest page, is in the description box below. Number 1 of the most followed list is Joy Cho and her board, Oh Joy, with 12 million, yes, count them, 12,642,122 happy followers. Can you just imagine? Hi, it's Gloria of Golden Bucket Farm. I'm the Jersey Lady 1 here on YouTube, and Jersey Lady 1 on Pinterest. Turns out I am number 1,194 on the list with 19,400 followers. I rank right above the U.S. Army and right below Safeway, the grocery chain. I don't know quite what to make of that, but I am thankful for my faithful followers. And now, on to the business at hand, which is my top 3 pins of this last week. The first pin is 20 great vintage kitchen design ideas from my farmhouse style board. Actually, this pin has 36 lovely photos to give you lots of inspiration. If you're looking to redo your kitchen in any vintage style, this is the pin for you, whether you like retro, farmhouse, cottage, or eclectic. There's not much text, just an intro at the top. Here's a sampling of the pictures. What a lovely kitchen to walk into in the morning, with the sun streaming through the breakfast nook bay window. This retro mid-century kitchen dinette has a fresh, clean look. If a total kitchen redo isn't in the cards right now for you, how about adding some vintage accessories, like this aqua and chrome canister set, for a pop of color and a real nostalgic feel. This last breakfast nook has it all, don't you think? A little bit of everything for a charming, eclectic look. Putting together a vintage kitchen may take a bit of effort, but what happy memories your family will make there. If vintage isn't your thing, you can head on over to my house board for more general decor and design ideas. My Living the Good Life board is home to pin number 2. This time of year, lots of people think about reorganizing and decluttering. Martha Stewart pinned this idea for converting an old armoire into a craft cupboard. I'm thinking you could do the same thing with an old entertainment center or closet. Most people don't have the space set aside for an entire room for craft projects, but a smaller, well-organized spot can serve your purpose almost as well. Every crafter needs a convenient storage space for their craft tools and supplies. Thanks a lot, Martha. Number 3 on the pin list this week comes from my Gouda Essen equals good food board. Perfect for a Super Bowl party, this easy, sweet Vidalia onion dip is not your mama's onion dip. This one comes out of the oven warm with melty, cheesy goodness. Here are several pictures of how this dip turns out. A big shout out to Larissa Ziolo for posting a picture of her dip on my pin. Way to go, Larissa! Another source of yummy recipes is my quick, easy recipes and meal planning board. Well, there we have it. Short and sweet this week. Vintage kitchen design, craft supply storage, and a dip for the Super Bowl party. Pinterest never ceases to provide ideas and inspiration for whatever need or project you have in mind. I'm so happy you were able to join me. If you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell too so you won't miss my next video. In case you did miss the first 2 videos in this series, there is a link to the Top Pins playlist in the description box below. Don't forget to hang around a sec after the credits for a bit of Pinterest humor. Okay, here we go. I'm convinced Pinterest could teach me to build my dream house with nothing but foam wreaths, wine bottles, and a glue gun. Okay, well, take care. Ta-ta for now, and happy pinning!